How to remove background noise from your audio in video editor. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the VN video editor application on your device and select a project over here. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected a project. Now when you tap on the video at the bottom to edit, what you can see is you have this option that pops, but you do not have this option to remove background noise. So let's see at the bottom of the screen if we have any other options. So let's drag it to the left and see if we have any options. So I'm gonna see the options over here and the option ends. So here we can see there's no option to remove background noise from your audio in VN video editor application. So this shows unfortunately we cannot remove background noise from the audio in VN video editor application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.